First of all, remove the seam tray. Seam tray. The seam tray. Switch off the frame. When you open the phone, you use the screws. Then next, after losing the screws, you open it like this. That's how you open it. After losing the screws, before have them loosed, use it. These are to assemble ITEL 6350. How to disassemble it. So there's a phone. This is ITEL 6350. How to disassemble it. Then if you want to assemble it back, you put the speaker very well. Fix the battery. Cover the back. Press it down. Then screw. Tight the nuts. Tight the nuts. Tight the nuts. Tight the whole nuts. After tightening the whole nut, then you will now cover this one back. You cover the whole nut. So now I've covered it. Cover the front cover. Press it down. then fix this one, the same show back, fix the same show back.